Welcome, friends. I used to define sin as the bad things that we do. I've learned that's only part of the definition. You see, the scriptural definition of sin is the bad things that we do in ignorance. This doesn't mean we don't know we're doing wrong. It means we don't know why we're doing wrong. Jesus cried out from the cross, "Father, forgive them," humanity. They don't know what they're doing. The author of Hebrews described how the high priest made atonement for the sins people committed in ignorance. Ignorance means without knowledge. Jesus is the ultimate high priest. He came not just because of our sins. He came because of our ignorance. There were things we didn't know that made all the difference in the world. We didn't know who God was, nor what He was like. On the flip side, we didn't know who we were, nor what we could be like. Jesus came to change that. Godspeed, my friends.
Have you ever wondered what God is like? At times, He's been depicted as a malicious and overbearing dictator, and other times as an uninvolved and impersonal force. Some say we can't put God in a box. He's too mysterious, too unpredictable. Sometimes it seems that the Bible has already placed God in the box of mystery and unpredictability. But if we connect all the dots the Bible presents, we actually can find the box that God fits into. And we might be very surprised when we clearly see the God who fits into that box.